All right, mystery Saja from Saja Boys. So, demon form, sorry. So his head is like kind of turned to the side, right? No eyes, kind of makes it easier. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. I'm gonna start with his nose because he's kind of in profile. So we're kind of over here, okay? Start with his nose. So let's just do this kind of an L shape sort of a thing, right? So we'll go down that way. And then it kind of curves. So it's, let me see. Yeah. So we go very small nose. We'll do this. So we'll go down this way into there. And then he's kind of got a nostril on the outside of that. And then there's a nostril in here. And then he does have like a little piece of skin that kind of comes around that way. So very small, delicate facial features. Right, there's lots of hair. His lips stick out pretty far. Yeah, so we'll do, it's kind of like it comes out from the side of his nose here. It's like his cheek kind of on the other side, but it joins his lip. So it kind of curves out, and his lips are real big, pouting sort of. So it kind of curves around this way. So that's like his top lip, it's real big. And then his bottom lip comes out and down there. So this little hook here, that's where the lips join together. So we can just go kind of for the middle line of his lips here. And then we kind of go down. So that's like the center line. And then his lips are the top line here. So it's kind of flat, it doesn't dip down. It's kind of like flat, it's kind of flat on top. And then goes down this way. Right, and then bottom lip. Sort of quite small bottom lip then. Like that. Could have a little piece of skin just there, just to make it look more like a pointy little lip. Just maybe a bit of a line coming down from his nose. Right, so then his chin sticks out. His chin comes out here. Down like so. And then it curves around. So it goes out and down, right? And it comes down towards his neck. So his chin joins his neck. Right? And then his jawline sort of follows as if it goes this way. Now remember, if I go too fast, just pause. Slow it down and go at your own pace. So we go up to here, and then we kind of turn for that jawbone area, like so. Might curve up his lip just on the corner here, and then maybe like some hatching just underneath his bottom lip, just to show that there's a bit of a shadow underneath it. Right, so Of course, Mystery Saja is all about his hair. So we've got coming over the nose, right? We start to get these hair spikes, like curtains sort of opening, right? Right, just kind of here. And then it goes back. To there. Hanging down beside his face here. So all comes across here and then goes into his hat. So let's just add some spikes, curving. And then these ones go in this way. These kind of come behind his ear a bit. So we got like some ear detail in there, like a little bit. So like his earlobe goes this way. Some of those beads come over this, but we'll draw them all in first. So it's like his ear. Okay, and we'll go back over this side now that we have the fringe in, and we'll do some of this hair that goes underneath the hat that he wears. So you're going bumping around, right? So kind of these sort of waterfall, like, you know. And keep going. So we're just going to bump this all the way around, like all to the back of his head. Okay. And it all just curves down onto his head. You know, and eventually it'll sort of curve this way. And just kind of adding the texture as I go. All right, and it goes all the way down his head until it kind of sits on his shoulder a little bit. So we can have like as many spikes as we want sort of sitting on his shoulder, maybe 3, and then the rest will go behind as texture. So that's his head pretty much. So we'll do the hat, right? So we'll go this big sweeping curving line, right? So we're kind of out this far on this side. On the other side, page movement, like out here. So it's like this long ellipse, long circle sort of shape, right? You're just going to join these together with a curve coming around, kind of like a halo or something, you know, if you were drawing halos on a demon. like that, basically. And then like the top part, you know, the pointy bit, well, that's the long top part, goes up this way and there. It's kind of there, I think. Yeah, this side. And then we may have like just like a little bit of a rim or something going around his head, and then going around the edge of the hat like a light little line. Do do do. Okay, so beads. I'll do the beads. So it's kind of coming down from underneath his hair, it looks like. So we'll go long. And of course, anything you draw over, erase or color over. And then we got these little balls. So 3 of them. Then you get like a long bead and then a circle again. You can do this any way you want. So I'll go kind of moving this way. So we'll go a cluster of circles, and then I'll do a long one again, and then a circle, and then maybe a long one down off the page. On the other side, what can we see? So we'll do it like coming out from his chin here. And then we get a long bead, and then circle, small circle, big circle, long bead, big circle, long bead. What is this? One. So that's that one, that's there, that's there. So then I would guess circles here. So, right, so he's got like traditional sort of collar, so it curves that way, right? And then comes around his shoulder here. It's kind of like a little V. And the back of his neck is there. And then this comes down that way. And then it just has a sort of a collar edge to it. And then his shoulder goes this way. Shoulder line. Do 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 do. And shoulder this side is higher up, so we get this collar here, and then a higher up sort of shoulder going this way. It's kind of like his arms come across down here and then up. But the sleeves are kind of long and baggy, so I'll just do this. Just kind of bumpy coming down there. So he's kind of in a dance pose, so the arms are coming across the body. And we have a neck muscle just there. Then we got to do his markings, so his demon markings. So it's probably best to do these lightly, or you could do them just in purple, so it's kind of up to you, right? So I'll go here. So these aren't drawn in with black line in the show, so you could do them any way you see fit. They kind of go down his neck. It's kind of blurry, so it's not exactly clear how much of them there is, really. Okay, and of course you could do your own pattern style if you wanted to do that as well. All right, mystery, demon form from K-pop, Demon Hunters. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.